Yeah, my ink is finally here. So let's see what's inside. Let's see. Okay. Cool. Alright, so I ordered from Scrap Hut. Oh wow. Another present. Bedankt voor je bestelling en veel plezier ermee, Patricia. Oh! Oh my gosh, look at this! Super cute! Stamp! Album. Oh my god. Well, that is me. Oh my gosh. So cool. Oh, this is also very clever. So it will not go all the way to... Oh my. Yep, throw it on the floor. Yes. Okay, let's see which colors that we can use. Alright, so we have the frayed burlap. Alright. Very curious how that color will look like. Just gonna grab a gray piece, well, and a white. Let me grab a white piece with it. Where is that little, oh, here it is, so I can see. Okay, what color is it? I think, yeah, it's a greenery color. Cool. Yeah, it looks very familiar with that antique linen. Okay, cool. Alright. I love these minis. Absolutely, I love these. Does not brushed curd away. Alright, absolutely. Oh, that is a nice color. Nice light. Is this very lighter than the normal? Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, alright, so this is the vintage photo that I normally use. Oh, this is a nice color. That's cool. Okay, cool. Love these. Oh, wow, how amazing. Okay, antique linen. An antique linen. Okay, guys, who recognize this? That you order stuff that you already have. Okay, that laugh sounds so witchery. Alright, so yeah, that I know which color it is. Well, let me just... Yep, that's very, I call that... Let me try with this side. See? Oh wow, I love it. Love it. Cool. I must say that, well, I think mine is another color because I put another color on the ink pad, but that is not that bad. Now these two, iced sprudge and weathered wood, I was very curious on those colors, and I was just looking for some colors that would fit for smooching the edges. Oh, this is a nice blue one. If you have blue papers, then this would definitely is a nice vintage. Wow, I love this color. It's more a jean color, and it's a much darker than it says on the image. Okay, last one with the minis, iced sprudge, if I pronounce it correctly, and otherwise I don't mind. how I call it. Sprudge. I call it iced, yeah, I think sprudge, I don't know a clue. So I think it's a nice blue, gray, greenery. Ooh, wow. Right, finding a new spot. Oh wow, oh my goodness. Oh, this I love. Yes, it's kind of with this one, but then more green. Oh my. I love these colors. Those are all perfect for smooching the edges. Now this, oh, this is an oxide one. The tea dyed. Alright, now I never used oxide distress ink for distressing my paper. So I am wondering if I can use that. Ooh. I don't think that I can use this for smooching the edges. I don't know, it's too much. Alright, that is a miss buy, I think. Yeah, this is not a nice color to I call that ink, smooch the ink. No, smooch the edges. So what if I need another sponge actually. I'll just use this. Alright. So what if, well, oh, yes you can. Yes you can. You can use this for, but then you have to be aware that you're not overlapping this too much like this. See, then you do, oh wow. Oh, I must say I kept my words back. It does work with oxide distress. It does. And this color is actually a nice color. Cool. Alright, so I must say, okay, so I have one thing extra board that I already had in my stash. Oxide distress. Okay, cool. Okay. It's not that good dry than normal ink, so maybe it's not that good idea for smooching the edges. But we're gonna give it a go. I don't want to ruin my paper, so I'm gonna leave this one. I'm definitely gonna try to find a tea dyed with the normal ink. This was also a mistake on buying. Yeah. Do it too quickly and you get misbuy. But that is no big deal. That is no big deal. I always can use it for other things. So yeah. So but which one that I'm gonna use on my papers? Okay, I need to check that out. Which one that I like to use? I think the frayed burlap fits perfectly, or the brushed corduroy. These are two blue and green, will fit. This I already have, so I'm gonna think that I'm gonna use, I love these too. This is why I love these, because you can put these nice on top each other. Alright, so let's see which one that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna check it out. But gosh, I love the colors. But these two, that's this one and this one. So I think I will go for this one because of the gray. We'll see how it works. So stay tuned. I need to grab another ink piece, I think, or maybe I can use this one. I did not use that much this way. Let me see. Oh wow, I love the color. What if I like to smooch the edges? It's still a nice greenery look. See that? And this color is more brown. See that? Alright, so this left one is the frayed burlap. This one right here, see, it's a little greenery. And this one right here is the brand corduroy. Corduroy. Yeah. This one. Okay, the brushed corduroy. And the little green one is frayed burlap. But now I can't choose. I think this will look amazing, but this also. And if I have the normal one, what I always use, see, that's so much darker. See, and this is the vintage photo that I always use. See that, the difference? Cool. But I was looking for another one, so I think I will try a page with this one. Just see how it goes. Alright, yes, cool. And otherwise I will use the brushed corduroy. Yeah. Super fun. It was just a little unboxing from Scrap Hut. And why I ordered there, that is because of the shipping. I was just looking at my bill and everything was inside that I ordered. So yeah, big thumbs up for scraphut.nl and check that out. It's a Dutch website, super cool and quick sending. Oh my gosh, and they love sending me little presents. Scraphut.nl, love it, super cool. Watch that website. They recently updated their website and it looks amazing. So I definitely can recommend this website. Thank you, Patricia, for sending me this so quickly. I was definitely needed for new ink colors. Alright, thank you. Oh, and I did not get sponsored, by the way. By the way, some people of you do think that I get everything for free. Nope, this order I just bought for myself, not get this for free to sponsor. But I always like to mention where I got things, because you always ask me. So that is why I mentioned the website where I got it. Alright.